Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to reset message settings on Samsung phone in 3 easy ways. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. Way 1: Clear data to reset all settings. If you want to completely reset the Samsung message settings to their default values, you must clear the data of the Samsung Messages app. Doing so will not delete your messages but reset all the customizations you made in the Messages app to default values. To do so, open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps, then Messages. Tap on Storage, then Clear Data. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Clear to reset text message settings. Way 2: Reset pinned messages. Samsung allows you to change the order of pinned messages. But if you want to reset the pinned messages to their original order, follow the steps outlined below. Open the Samsung Messages app on your phone. Tap on the 3-dot icon at the top and select Reorder Pinned. Press the Reset button at the top to revert to the default order. Way 3: Reset custom notification sound for individual contacts. If you have set a custom notification sound for a contact, you can easily switch back to the original one by following the steps. Open the message thread of the designated person in the Samsung Messages app. Tap the 3-dot icon. Select Notification Sound. Select the default notification sound option. So, this is all about how to reset message settings on Samsung phone in 3 ways. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.